Since nag-false tayo dito, baba tayo sa middle space. J is less than to 4 times size minus I minus 1. The value of I would be 1. 3 minus 1 is 2, minus 1 is 1. So, 2 times 1, 2 is less than 0, J is less than 2, true. So, print out tayo ng space. Then, increment 1, J is less than to 2, which is true. Space ulit. Cursor. Again, increment 1 plus 1 equals 2. 2 is less than to 2, which is false. Ibig sabihin, papasok tayo sa another condition. So, J is equals to 0. So, J is less than or equal to I. The value of I is 1. So, print out ng 0. Then, increment J is less than or equal to I, which is true. So, increment 0. Increment 1 plus 1, 2. J is less than or equal to I, which is false. So, ibig sabihin, doon na natatapos ang ating mag-print. After yan, balik tayo dito. So, 1 plus 1. Ay. Increment. 2. 2 is less than to 3. So, true. Pasok sa inner condition. Primary reset. J is less than or equal to I, which is 3. So, true. Increment 1. 1 is less than or equal to 2. True. 0. Increment less than or equal to I. J is less than or equal to I, which is true. Increment ulit. So, itong false. Sa speaker ito, mag-reset. 0. So, 3 minus 2 equals 1. 1 minus 1 equals 0. 2 times 0 equals 0. So, J is less than to 2. J is less than to 0, which is false. Ibig sabihin bababa tayo dito sa condition na to. So, hindi siya na-satisfy. So, again, nare-reset to. The value of I is 2. 0 is, J is less than or equal to 2, which is true. So, pass. 0. Again, increment. So, yung 0 plus 1 is 1. So, J is less than or equal to I, which is true. So, ibig sabihin, print out na another 0. Increment ulit. So, J is less than or equal to I, which is true. So, 0. So, increment 3. So, J is less than or equal to 2. So, false. Since nag-false na siya, wala na. Balik tayo dito. Let us say natin ang function natin. So, balik tayo dito. So, mean kasi ito ay magiging 3 na. Kasi nag-increment 3. So, 3 is less than to the size, which is false. So, ibig sabihin, dito na matatapos yung run nitong upper half na to kasi wala na, nag-false na siya. So, ibig sabihin, papasok na tayo dito sa lower half. So, ayan, lower half. So, if I is equal to size minus 1, so I is greater than equal to 0. I increment. So, I is equal to size minus 1. So, again, the size of the butterfly is 3. 3 minus 1 equals 2. So, 2 is greater than equal to 0, which is true. So, ibig sabihin, magbababa tayo dito sa block na to. J is equals to 0. So, J is less than or equal, 3 minus 1 equals 2. So, 2 is greater than equal 0. Is true. So, J is less than or equal to I. The value of I is 2. J is less than or equal to I, which is true. Sabihin na ba tayo dito? 0. and then increment 2. J is less than or equal to 2, which is true. Increment ulit. Higing to yan. So, 2 is less than or equal to I, which is true. So, well, print out ulit. Increment. So, J is less than or equal to I, which is false. Kaya papasok tayo sa dito. So, J is equals to 0. So, J is less than to 2. So the value of size is 3. Ang I natin is 2 minus 1. So, 3 minus 2 equals 1 minus 1 is 0. So, 2 times 2. 2 times 0 equals 0. So, si J is less than to 2. J is less than to 0, which is false. So, hindi siya papasok dito. Kaya dito ay papasok sa another loop. J is equals to 0. J is less than or equal to I. The value of I is 2. So, magi-increment 2, which is J is less than or equal to I, which is true. So, print out tayo ng 0. Again, increment 1. J is less than or equal to 2. True. Increment ulit. J is less than or equal to 2I, which is true. Increment 2 plus 1 equals 3. So, J is less than or equal to I, which is false na. Since nag-false na, balik tayo dito. Mag-i-increment tayo dito. So, ibig sabihin yung I mababawasan, magiging 1. Okay, magiging 1 na siya. Mag-decrement tayo pala. So, I is less than or equals to 0. True. I is greater than equal to 0. True. Pasok sa inner loop. Itong J, marireset siya. Magiging 0 ulit siya. The value of I is magiging 1 ulit siya. So, J is less than or equal to I, which is true. Pasok. Print out ng 0. Mag-increment ulit tayo. 1 is less than or equal to I, which is 1, so true. Increment J is less than or equal to I, false. Pasok tayo dito. Since bago ang value ni I, naging 1 na lang siya. So, 3 minus 1, 2. 2 minus 1, 1. So, 1 times 2 times 1, 1. So, J is less than to 1, which is true. So, print tayo ng space. Isang space. increment, magiging 1. J is less than to 1. False. So, pasok tayo dito. Again, ito marireset to. So, 0 siya. Ito ay magiging 1. Because the value of 1, I is 1. 0, J is less than or equal to I, true. So, mag-increment, magiging 1 siya. 1 is less than or equal to 1, true. Oh, correction pala. 2 times 1 is 2. So, space, tama. Ito, mali pala to. So, isang space, and then mag-i-increment to, magiging 1. 1 is less than or equal to 2, which is true. Kaya print ulit tayo ng another space. 1, 2. So, ito pa pala mag-increment. Sorry. J is less than 2, which is false. Baba tayo dito. So, marireset. 0, J is less than or equal to I, true. Print out ng 0. Mag-increment, magiging 1. J is less than or equal to I, which is true. So, print up another 0. Increment. 2 is less than or equal to I, false. Ibig sabihin lang yan. Lalabas na tayo ng loop. So, yun na. Dito na tayo, mag-increment na. So, the value of I is 0 na siya kasi 1 minus 1 equals 0. 0 is greater than equal to 0, which is true. So, marireset to. J is less than or equal to 0, which is I, true. Print lang 0. Ay, O pala. So, increment 1 is that J is less than or equal to I, to false. Pasok tayo dito. Marireset. The value of I, 0. Yan. So, 3 minus 0 equals 3. Minus 1, 2. 2 times 2 whole square. Here, J is less than to 4, true. Space. Increment. Zero plus 1 equals 1, so J is less than to 4, true. Space again. Increment 2 is less than or equal to 4, true. Baba, space. increment 3 is less than to 4. J is less than to 4. True, space ulit. Increment 4 is less than, J is less than to 4. False. So, pasok tayo sa another condition. Nare-reset, nagiging 0. Magiging 0 din. Kasi ang value ng I is 0. So, J is less than or equal to I, true. So, print ng 0. O pala rather. Sorry. Increment. 1 is less than, J is less than or equal to I, false. So, tapos na, wala na. Nag-false na siya. So, balik na tayo dito sa loop na to. Since natapos na, sabihin lang yan. Ganito ang magiging kalalabasan natin. Yan, yung magiging kalalabasan. Let's try na i-run natin. So, ayan. Tinanggal ko lang. Let us say that input ko as a user is 3. Natanggal pala ako. Kanina kasi 0 siya.